was a ship that was put to sea. The name of the ship was a Billy of Tea. The wind blew up about it down, oh blow, my Billy boys blew up. Soon may the wellerman come and bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing's done, we'll take our leave and go. She had not been 2 weeks from shore when down on her white whale bore. The captain called all hands and swore he'd take that whale in tow. Soon may the wellerman come and bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing's done, we'll take our leave and go. That hit the water, the whale's tail came up and called all hands to the side, harpooned and fought her when she died. Soon may the wellerman come and bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing's down, we'll take our leave and go. No land was cut, the whale was freed. The captain's man not full of greed, but he belonged to the whaleman's creed. She took that ship in tow. Soon may the wellerman come and bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing's down, we'll take our leave and go. Days or even more, the line went slack, then tapped once more. All roads were lost, there were only 4, but still the whale would come. Soon may the wellerman come and bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing's down, we'll